Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful resort which is 50 kilometers from Ahmedabad city. Yes, it's Taj Gandhinagar Resort and Spa. This will be your one-stop destination for your leisure travel with family that offers exciting amenities along with your luxurious stay. Stay tuned with me as we explore this mesmerizing place which is worth the money you spent. When we entered the resort, we were given a very warm welcome by the resort staff, where they performed rituals and explained the significance behind each ritual.
Local driver the evil eye and rose water will give immense fragrance.
So this is the reception area where there is a tea lounge and a restaurant named Palette. The restaurant here serves buffet breakfast and dinner along with complimentary high tea. A la carte options are also available for dinner. So let's take a quick room tour before we explore other amenities. So once we enter the room, on your right we have the hospitality tray. A mini bar is set up which has snacks and beverages at an extra cost. It's not complimentary guys, so hold your horses. Oh, and they have given us very sweet welcome note. Hi, so we meet again. Okay, so as we can see, this washroom is well equipped with all the essential luxury toiletry kits, hand towels, and it also has a hair dryer. So ladies, you don't need to carry one. So let's go back to the room. This is a deluxe king room which is quite spacious and is spread across 374 square feet. So it has a king size bed and towards the window pane there is seating area and a hotel room desk. The seating area opens to a not so good view. Haha. Let's see what's inside the cupboards. So they have lockers, bathrobes and an ironing board. And they have also provided the room slippers. On the desk they have the Minimar price list, the Taj magazine and a welcome letter. The welcome letter gives an overview of all the amenities of the resort with its timings, so that you don't miss them out during your stay. And here's a list of activities that takes place in the resort. At 4:30 p.m. we headed to the restaurant for our complimentary high tea and snacks. They also have a curated menu for high tea at an extra additional cost. So guys, let's check out the scenic property now. It's time to check out the indoor and outdoor amenities. So let's go. Here we have the fitness center, and sports shoe is mandatory to use the gym. So here is an overview of the whole place. Please have a look. There is a separate indoor activity room which offers VR gaming station, chess, carom, ludo, TT table. Along with that, we have foosball table. They also have a snooker table, and they have a separate room for kids play area. The resort also offers a badminton court and a squash court. They also provide the badminton and squash rackets along with the shuttlecock and squash balls. You may also try your hand at archery. They provide cycles which you can ride inside the resort. The single-seated cycles are free for all, but the double-seated cycles are available at an additional cost. So here we go! Once we come out of the activity center, we have this very neat and clean swimming pool. You need to carry your own swimsuits to enter the pool. So let's see how the property looks in the night. It's beautiful, guys. Let's head back to the courtyard area and check out the night view. The courtyard area has a pretty fountain in the center. Along with that, they have provided a seating arrangement for your leisure. It was almost time to attend the culture performances arranged by the resort. Also, I went to the resort during Diwali, guys, so I had to pull out my traditional look. The cultural performances start at 6:30 p.m. sharp, so let's have a look. Next up, we have a very serene and soothing wellness circle. It comprises of spa, Turkish hammam for couples, relaxation rooms, sauna and steam bath rooms, along with jacuzzi. The jacuzzi and steam bath came as complimentary with our stay, so let me take you there. Once we were done, we headed out to check out the rest of the property. They also have a very compact, neat and clean Shiv temple at the entrance. So this is the back side of the property and they have an ample amount of parking space available for all the residents. This is an Ayurvedic center where yoga and pranayam is conducted by the professionals. That's all for now. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such travel videos. Thank you for watching.